Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, let's take a closer look at official accessory from GoPro, which is called GoPro Head Strap 2.0. So this accessory in here is probably one of the best accessories to mount your GoPro camera on your head. So GoPro Head Strap 2.0 lets you capture a hands-free perspective, so the viewer can see a scene as if from your own eyes. Get out! So what you need to know is that Head Strap 2.0 has a modular design, so it can be modified into 3 different setups. Pretty windy today. So the overall feel and the materials that they used, all of it feels like a really high quality product. And it's so much better than the first version. Just look at that. I had it for a couple of years now, but I hardly ever used that. And it looks damaged and destroyed. If not for the big GoPro logo at the back, I would think like it's some kind of a Chinese knockoff from Alibaba or God knows where. Now take a look at the new version from the inside. Notice that it has an anti-slip design both on the sides as well as on the top strap. So it's gonna prevent it from moving around on your head. What's more, GoPro Head Strap 2.0 can also be used with some other of your GoPro accessories, such as for example GoPro Floaty or GoPro Protective Housing. So you can use it in the water and have a hands-free perspective. Personally, I never used the first version of the head strap myself because to me it didn't feel secure and comfortable enough, so I was worried that I'm gonna lose my camera. Plus, I didn't like the middle strap, so it just looked weird in public. So most of my POV shots for this channel I recorded with GoPro bite mount. But the problem with this accessory is that I can't really talk to somebody. Plus, it's harder to breathe and I can accidentally lose it. And the new Head Strap 2.0, well, it feels comfortable and secure, so I might be able to finally start using it for my channel. Notice that I removed the top strap from it. So
maybe I'm not gonna look so bad in public. However, please notice that in this configuration, it's already less stable than if I were to use it with the top strap. So personally, I'm not gonna use it for high-intensity activities. Alright guys, so the new GoPro Head Strap 2.0 is fairly cheap like for a GoPro product, as you can get it for like $24.99. However, if you are a GoPro subscriber, you can get it for like $20 on official GoPro website. And obviously, you can get some cheaper alternatives for like half of the price, but it won't feel as good as the original one. So that being said, if you plan to record quite often from the perspective of your head, then this one in here is probably the best one you can get for your money. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!